Hello everyone, in today's video discover ULEFONE's new elegant rugged smartphone with the ThermoVue thermal camera that detects the temperatures from -20 degrees to 550 degrees Celsius. It's equipped with a 16.4 megapixel night camera, a 6.78-inch Full HD plus 120Hz refresh rate screen and a powerful 6500 mAh battery with a 33-watt wireless and a 30-watt wireless charging, powered by Dimensity 6300 processor with a 5G compatibility. It has IP68, IP69K rating, MIL STD 810H certifications, NFC and much more. So find out more about this amazing ULEFONE Armor 25T Pro smartphone in this video review. So along with our Armor 25T Pro, we also got this original ULEFONE 50-watt wireless charging stand. We will look at it later, and now let's start unboxing. The smartphone is packed in this distinctive Armor series box, featuring a striking yellow color and printed metal elements that symbolize strength and durability. In addition to the smartphone itself, we find a lot of things in this box. A lot of paperwork, including this Armor 25T Pro user manual written in many different languages, multifunctional instructions and bunch of other instructions for this phone, as well as this brochure that shows all the accessories you can buy with this smartphone, such as the various endoscopic cameras, digital microscopes, cases and holders, phone mounts and much more that ULEFONEs offer. We can still find the additional screen protector, which is a temporary glass, even though the smartphone has a factory installed screen protector. SIM pick to opening the SIM tray, a hand strap for secure phone handling, a red USB Type-C cable for fast charging, and a 33-watt fast charger. This comprehensive set of accessories complements the phone's rugged features, making it standout choice in the market. And now we can proceed to explore our smartphone. Rugged phones are often characterized by their solid constructions and thickness, sacrificing sleekness for durability. However, the ULEFONE Armor 25T Pro breaks this mold by seamless blending ruggedness with a modern design. The Kevlar back adds a touch of sophistication, making the phone not just tough but also visually appealing. Only 12.5mm thick, it's impressive for a rugged smartphone. The Armor 25T Pro managed to maintain a relatively slim camera bump on the back, which features a metallic square lens frame. This frame, housing a set of lenses and sensors, mirrors the design of the side metallic frames, enhancing both grip and ruggedness. One of the standout features of this device is exceptional resistance to drops thanks to this robust thickness and durable carbon fiber back. Its design with the metallic accents and the carbon fiber finish sets it apart, making the ideal choice for those who need a rugged device that doesn't compromise on look. The Armor 25T Pro stands out not only for its ruggedness but also for its refined and modern aesthetics, making it an attractive option in a rugged smartphone market. So on the right side of the metal frame we have metal buttons. There is two of these volume buttons. Below is the power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the left side there is a slot for a SIM card that has even 3 free spaces, 2 for nano 5G SIM cards, at the same time as place for the micro SD card of up to 2 TB. A little lower you will notice this orange programmable button, which can be personalized to execute various functions within the phone or compatible applications such as the Zello PTT walkie-talkie function. This button can be activated with the one click, double click or long press. At the bottom we have USB-C port for charging, speaker grills and the microphone hole. At the very top we still find the 3.5mm headphone jack as well as the infrared blaster. Yes, the Armor 25T Pro doubles as a universal remote control for all your household, allowing you to manage devices like air conditioners, televisions and a hi-fi stereo system through the app on the phone. It can control any device with infrared connectivity, making it incredibly versatile. This feature is exceptionally useful and adds significant value to the phone. The ULEFONE Armor 25T Pro sports a robust design with noticeably tickled bezels, especially at the top of the bottom of the screen. This design frame gives added convenience against drops, ensuring the screen remains protected. As expected, the display on this rugged phone is impressive. It features a 6.78-inch FHD Plus screen with 120Hz refresh rate, which is unexpected in a device designed to toughness. The Corning Gorilla Glass Victus enhances its resistance to shocks and scratches, making it exceptionally durable. The display is not only big but also visually appealing, with a slightly wider frames for added protection. It includes a punch hole in the center, housing a high-quality 32-megapixel Samsung front camera, just perfect for video calls and selfies, complete with a face unlock functionality. With a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, the screen delivers sharp and crisp visuals. The combination of a 120Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate ensures smooth and fluid interactions, crucial for gaming and fast navigation. Scrolling through the web pages and apps is seamlessly providing an enhanced user experience. Whether you are watching YouTube favorite series, enjoying YouTube videos, or playing mobile games, the Armor 25T Pro's display delivers a versatile and enjoyable viewing experience with impressive size, resolution, and color accuracy. Now let's take a look at the back of the phone and see this impressive design back camera model. This design not only incorporates state-of-the-art technology but also embodies a modern and sophisticated aesthetics, seamlessly blending innovation with practical functionality. The back of the phone showcases a robust metallic square lens frame housing an array of advanced cameras, a 50-megapixel main wide-angle camera with a Samsung's 1/1.31-inch ultra-large sensor. There is also a thermal imaging sensor in the middle, an OmniVision 64-megapixel night vision camera, which together with these two infrared LEDs will help you take clear, detailed images and videos in the complete dark. There are also these two infrared LEDs and the dual flashes. The camera is capable of recording videos in a maximum 2K resolution at the 30 fps with ACE stabilization option. This round ring is not, as it may seem, a fingerprint sensor but a ThermoVue thermal imaging sensor. The pre-installed ThermoVue app displays the thermal imaging, where you can take a photo, record a video for temperature detection, or set up a time lapse to see how the temperature of the object changes over time. Featuring more operation mode, it has a higher operation mobility for creating unique and useful thermal imaging and videos. Visualize heat that is invisible to the naked eye, as well as highlighting temperature contrast and a measurable temperature range from -20 degrees to 550 degrees Celsius. The thermal camera excels in low light conditions, offering visibility through darkness, glare, smoke, and then smoke. It serves as a vital temperature measurement tool from diagnostic leaks, integrated with the latest ThermoVue thermal imaging sensor, giving significantly better results than the previous generation of this sensor. All in all, these are all the excellent camera sensors, and they will take some pretty good photos for you. To get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our Armor 25T Pro, so let's take a look. Inside the ULEFONE Armor 25T Pro lays the responsible and efficient MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G chipset, a powerhouse that drives the smartphone with exceptional performance. Built on a 6nm process, this chipset ensures both power and efficiency, handling everyday multitasking and demanding gaming effortlessly. With the 8-core CPU and advanced Mali G57 MC2 GPU, the Armor 25T Pro delivers smooth and lag-free experience across various applications and tasks. Whether you are navigating through the multiple apps or diving into the intense gaming seasons, the Armor 25T Pro chipset provides the speed and reliability you need. The Armor 25T Pro offers a base RAM of 6GB, expandable of up to 12GB with additional 6GB of virtual RAM for even faster and more pleasant multitasking. It also provides a satisfactory 256GB of UFS 2.1 internal storage with the option of expanding up to 2TB, offering enough space for users who are looking for a bit more space for their photos, music files and applications. Great for gaming fans as well, the Armor 25T Pro delivers exceptional performance in its price range, surpassing the capabilities of other rugged smartphones on the market in this price category. For occasional gamers, this phone could be a real pleasure. It effectively handles most of the games available on the Google Play Store, providing excellent performance without overheating even on the more demanding games. The ULEFONE Armor 25T Pro operates on the latest Android 14 operating system, offering a clean and intuitive user interface with the latest features, new themes and AI-generated wallpapers, privacy updates for your health, safety and data, and the expanded accessibility features. Android 14 ensures that your device stays protected and runs smoothly even under heavy use. It comes with essential Google applications pre-installed, free from bloatware and unnecessary apps, ensuring a streamlined experience and seamless integration in the Google ecosystem. In addition to the standard Google apps, the phone includes practical pre-installed tools for like a System Manager Optimizer and a Toolbox, along with the classical FM radio, which can be available in various outdoor scenarios. Noteworthy Armor 25T Pro features include NFC support for convenient Google Pay transactions, Bluetooth 5.2 for enhanced connectivity, and robust GPS system with supports for multiple satellite networks. Whether making calls, transferring mobile data, or connecting to the Wi-Fi networks, the phone performs reliably without any issues. Armor 25T Pro packs a large battery with capacity of 6500 mAh, providing uninterrupted work and entertainment without the trouble of frequent looking for outlet. You can empower your outdoor travels with no worrying about the battery drain. The Armor 25T Pro is fast with a 33W high-speed charging with the power delivery. A single charge allows you to be connected to over 2 days with active use, 48 hours of call time and 16 hours of continuous video playback. And with a 30W wireless charging, you can elevate your charging experience by effortlessly laying the device on the charging stand. With a maximum 30W output, the battery boosts fast in just a few minutes. No matter at home or the office, the wireless charger stand your handset again. I must mention that this wireless charger stand is purchased separately. And I almost forgot to mention one of the very important things, which is that the Armor 20T Pro proudly holds the IP68 and IP69K rating, significantly its ability to withstand immersion in water up to depth of 2 meters for duration of 30 minutes, while also demonstrating resistance to both dust and water intrusion. Additionally, it successfully met the rigorous MIL-STD 800H military standard, confirming the device's ultimate resilience in especially harsh environments. The ULEFONE Armor 25T Pro is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a durable yet powerful smartphone in a thin and elegant case. With its impressive 6500 mAh battery, fast wireless charging, it provides uninterrupted use without worrying about the battery status. It comes with the Android 14 and a clean user interface, supports NFC for easy payments with the Google Pay, and has rugged constructions with the IP68, IP69K water and dust resistance, and a MIL-STD 800H military standard. With the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G chipset, a large high-resolution screen and excellent cameras, the Armor 25T Pro provides an outstanding combination of durability, performance and practicality. So if you are interested in purchasing this phone, and I'm sure you are, official sales links are available below this video. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing available now, so hurry up and order yourself your new ULEFONE Armor 25T Pro Ultimate Elegant Rugged phone today, but there is a chance because quantities are limited. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video review. Bye.